The World Health Organization has noted that 80% of U.S. workers have stress in their jobs. When we're stressed, powerful chemical messengers activate the fight, flight, or flee response, which can lead to decreased productivity, disengagement, and employee burnout while also decreasing our joy. Hi, I'm Sally DuBois, speaker, educator, and health coach, and what I do is support teams and individuals who have a heart for serving others. Organizations and businesses that serve other people often deal with a high level of daily stress.
Stress, it reduces the ability of the brain to really function properly.
I help teams and individuals excel by teaching them skills to reduce their stress, give them tools to connect, and techniques to build positive team culture to increase their productivity, creativity, and joy. When I'm presenting or working with small groups, I get to rejuvenate teams through purposeful systems by using laughter, music, stories, and team building activities, all while having some fun along the way. If you're watching this, chances are you're looking for a speaker or coach to help make your next event, professional development training, or wellness journey a success. You may be looking for inspiration, motivation, learning, or just plain fun. That's where I come in to inspire teams and individuals to live and work with less stress and more joy, creativity, and productivity. Let's connect so I can help make your next event or training truly meaningful, memorable, engaging, and fun.